Hey guys, welcome back to the Daily Special. Today I'm making shrimp skewers with pineapple covered with chimichurri sauce and coconut rice. It's going to be crazy. So let's hop right onto it. Soak wooden skewers in water for 30 minutes. This will ensure that they won't burn on the grill. Here are some clean, peeled, and deveined shrimp. Season your shrimp with salt, ground black pepper, red pepper flakes, and a squeeze of lemon. Pour over some olive oil and mix until every shrimp is coated with the marinade. Marinate for 10 minutes in the refrigerator. To start the coconut rice, you're going to add 2 cups of rice, 1.5 cups of water, and 1 15-ounce can of full-fat coconut milk into a saucepan. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Turn your burner on high and allow the rice to come to a boil. I'm mixing to ensure that there are no clumps in the rice, and then I'm going to lower the flame once it's boiling and cover it for 18 minutes. Once the rice is done, I'm going to fluff it and we're going to move on to the skewers. Chop up some pineapple to about the same width or smaller than the shrimp. Season with some salt, pepper, and drizzle with olive oil. I'm mixing to ensure that the olive oil, salt, and pepper is coating all of the pineapple, and now I'm placing my shrimp and my pineapples onto the skewers. As you can see, I cut the pineapples a little thick here, so the first batch didn't come out as well as the second batch, but I'll show you how the second skewers should be looking. So here are the thinner cut pineapples. These work way better because the shrimp has a chance to cook evenly on both sides. When your cast iron grill pan starts smoking, you know it's ready for you to put the skewers on. You're going to lay down the skewers and you're going to cook the shrimp on each side for about 2 minutes. Once you flip the skewers over, you'll see some grill marks, and that's how you know you're doing a great job. I love the grill marks. The more there are, the better the food tastes. I'm pressing down on each skewer to make sure that the shrimp has contact with the grill pan, and it's going to create extra grill marks, which I love. Now I'm removing them from the heat after cooking for 2 minutes on each side. I moved the 2 bottom skewers up because the heat at the top of the grill pan is a little hotter. So I'm just gonna leave it for an additional few seconds and then take them right off. And now we're ready to plate. We have our coconut rice that I made into a cute round shape using a small glass bowl. And I'm plating 3 skewers beside the rice and topping with some chimichurri sauce, which you can find the full recipe for on my website, thedailyspecial.com. Be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this. Also, visit my website, thedailyspecial.com, to find all your recipe needs. You'll be able to print this whole recipe out by clicking the link below. Okay, so here we have it. We have our skewers. with our chimichurri, and we have our coconut rice. So I'm gonna go ahead and just hop right on in. Bomb! Okay? The pineapple. Okay, from the chimichurri, you get brightness, you get that vinegar, you get that herb, the salt, you get everything. Then you get the shrimp, of course, seasoned beautifully, lemon, salt, pepper, all that. And the pineapple is sweet, but it's also grilled, and I also season it with a bit of salt and pepper, so it is phenomenal. We have our coconut rice, which is also it's hot. Perfect, perfect, perfect. The pineapple and the coconut rice, you already know, that's bomb. That's a beautiful combination. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you again soon. Later.